Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we see that we have sy, y square, sy, s square. This is about the root number 2. And we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s plus first derivative of s, you got about v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So about y, I will change vs. Similar for this one and this one. This one we change by this one. This one we have s vs square, and this one we have v square s square. This one we have vs square. Now we have s square, s square, s square, and s square. We can simplify for the both sides. Next, we move this one, go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by negative v. So we will have about 1 over v with the positive because we have the negative with negative. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have positive v. V and v we simplify. Number 1, we can do about common denominator. So this one we will have about 1 minus v over v. So this one we put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. So for this one we have v minus 1. So I need to put about negative number 1 in here. Later that we need to add back about positive number 1. V minus 1 divided by v minus 1, you got about number 1. So we have 1 over v minus 1. So the integration of number 1, we have v. The integration of this one in here, we have ln of the absolute value of v minus 1. Because we have the negative side, that's why we need to have the negative and negative. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. So we need to change v into y over s. So I will put this one go to the right. Blah plus blah, so this one multiplied by this one. And this one we will have about y minus s. Next, I will put e for the both sides. For this one, we have about the absolute value of y minus s. E to the power of c, they still consider about the constant. So I will put c on the left and e to the power of negative y over s on the right. So we will have about 1 over c equal to the absolute value of y minus s multiplied by e to the power of y over s. And this one they still consider about the constant. So I can put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.